You're looking at history.
Black history.
These images aren't AI. On October 16, 1995, 1 million black men gathered on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. for an historic day of unity and atonement.
We are here! We are here! We are here!
They came by plane, train, bus from all over the country.
San Francisco.
Fairbanks, Alaska.
What prompted you to get on a bus and sit for 13 hours to come to Washington, D.C. today?
Well, I came out because of the unity for black men.
What do you hope to take away from this?
Well, I hope to take back to home I come from, the spirit of 1 million men out here.
While some predicted violence, there wasn't any. The Million Man March was full of speeches by various social and political leaders who urged black men to live their lives in a righteous way. Among the speakers that day, Maya Angelou, Rosa Parks, Stevie Wonder, and organizer Louis Farrakhan.
As an African-American woman, I am proud, applaud, and support our men in this assemblage.
The ancestors remind us, despite the history of pain, we are going on people who will rise again, and still we rise.
All for one, one for all.
Clean up, black man, and the world will respect and honor you.
Even the Bloods and the Crips came together at the Million Man March to preach unity.
Killing black brothers, it ain't gonna happen no more. We're tired of the killing. It's gonna stop, it will stop, and it must stop. Black man, I come to you with much love. As we brothers on the West Coast made peace, me, myself, I was taking lives, but now I'm saving lives. Out of my heart, before I go, young brothers, let me hear you say this one time. Keep the Million Man March alive, young brothers only.
Well, this is the first time I ever attended something of this magnitude, and I'm really impressed with the way the black brothers have gotten together with no incidents. Everything is so calm. We have shown today that we can come together in the masses with a peaceful demonstration with no incidents at all, and it's wonderful. So if Americans haven't learned anything at all, is that they have judged the black man wrong.
Black man, do what you must to support your own. Do what you must to become related to your God. Do what you must to lift up your communities by the initiative that God has placed in your heart to do for yourself, and not beg others to do for you what you must do for yourself.
When this mindset change, then we win because we have the economic power. We're all coming together like this. It's a black thing. It's nothing about, Haitian, Jamaican, or, North, South, West. We all come together to do this because we're in a crisis, and we need to let each other know that we are in this crisis together. Whether I'm doing good or he's doing bad, doesn't matter, because we're in this together, because we share that common bond.
What do you think the main message of this march is?
That we need to wake up. That we all need to wake up. That we're dying here. We're dying here, and we need to wake up. And to me, that's the message.
Do you support Louis Farrakhan?
I mean, how could you not support someone who's doing something like this? He's uplifting his race.
What do you think about the Million Man March?
It's great. I'm proud to be here. I'm proud that my father brought me out here. This is history of the making.
What do you hope to take away from this?
I hope that the community will be able to change, like we live a better life, that people won't be scared to step outside without something happening. The black people will come out here for unity and to get together like this. The blacks, we should just come together all the time.
It's a great feeling, and this feeling will go back and it will be carried back home, and you'll feel it.
Our history must not be forgotten or erased. The 1995 Million Man March was one of the largest peacetime gatherings in American history. As we honor and remember that day, we must also confront the question: are black men in America better off today than they were 30 years ago? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For BET, I'm Lodrick D. Collins.